आगे आइए सर।
श्याम सर, सर साथ में सर, यहाँ पे एक मैडम आपके लेफ्ट में एक मिनट बोली सर भी आ रहा है। बोली जी, बोली ए भाई, ये थोड़ा पीछे हो, चलो नया तो सब लोग चलो। सबको लगता अरे कोई नहीं सुनते मेरा। चलिए कम क्लोज पीछे सर, लेफ्ट में सर, एकदम सेंटर। सब लोग आपके लेफ्ट में।
मेरी शक्ल दिखाई ना, जावेद साहब की आनी चाहिए।
जी जी, थैंक यू। बोनी सर का, बोनी जी रुकिए। नहीं बाद में वो, बाद में एक मिनट बोनी जी सर, एकदम सामने देखिए सर, सेंटर सर जी
लंबा दिखाई देना चाहिए।
ये लंबा पीछे लंबा हो रहा है।
पीछे जाओ।
अरे पीछे बोनी जी, पीछे सुमर एकदम।
अगर मेरी हाइट 7 फुट नहीं दिखाई दी ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं खड़ा रहूंगा। ऐसे भी खड़ा रह के कोई फायदा नहीं।
सब प्रिंट करते हैं। थैंक यू। हाँ भाई, कौन मारा है?
We good to go? Now I'll come in. I'll just ruin the frame for you guys. Can we have the mic, please? Welcome, Millie, or should I say Janvi. Welcome. So good to see you.
Hi everyone. Hi.
अच्छा, मैं जब हाय कर रहा था तब नहीं निकल रही थी आवाज, है? इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही थी। Millie, ठीक है. All right. So first of all, before we talk about Millie and this journey, you have to tell us. अभी सुबह आप कहीं से आए हो and there's this video that's actually broken the internet जहाँ पे आप कह रही हो थक गई हो यार, लेकिन मेरे को ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे पहुँचना है. And you personally invited all these wonderful people. What was that about?
Yeah, I did. I'm actually very excited to have everyone here. हमने ये फिल्म के लिए, जैसे कि हर फिल्म के लिए करते हैं, लेकिन ये फिल्म काफ़ी स्पेशल है क्योंकि हमने इतनी मेहनत लगाई है. And it's my first film with my dad. एंड तो हाँ, मैं शूट के लिए गई थी, जयपुर में शूट कर रही थी, नाइट शूट कर रही थी, और आई थिंक इट वेंट ऑन फॉर लॉन्गर देन प्लान. तो फिर मैं और मेरी टीम सो नहीं पाए और फ्लाइट लेके यहाँ आ गए. और ऐसे लग रहा कि होश में नहीं है, लेकिन पहुँच गए आप सबसे मिलने के लिए और आप सबको ट्रेलर दिखाने के लिए.
And you're looking as fresh as ever. Give it up for Millie, ladies and gentlemen. You know, one question that I was not supposed to ask, लेकिन मैं side से पूछ लेता हूँ. What is that one coolest thing about Boney Kapoor, the producer?
The coolest thing.
The producer.
The producer, because I definitely think he's the coolest dad. I think that he empowers people's creative visions and doesn't question it.
And what about his smile? You know, there were a lot of CTs and talis for that, yeah? मतलब जो welcome मिला, that was amazing. So talking about Millie, please मेरे को बोलो क्या हुआ, कहाँ गुम हो गई, कहाँ दब गई, कहाँ छिप गई, what is happening? Tell us.
उसके लिए सर आपको ट्रेलर देखना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद फिल्म देखना पड़ेगा, प्लीज.
As cold as ever, yaar. What do I say? So, are we all set for the trailer of Millie, ladies and gentlemen? We'll have to make some more noise for that. All right. So, all eyes on the big screen. Please be seated, Janvi. And yes, it's the trailer of Millie for the first time for all you wonderful people here. Let's see क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है. आग लगाओ. This हम लोग feel कर सकते हैं like mentally and emotionally. How hard this would have been, I don't know. मतलब I'm completely at a loss of words here. Ladies and gentlemen, एक एक करके जो कमाल के magicians हैं जिन्होंने ये किया है उनको यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे. And we'll start with this super cool actor. She's talented, she's gorgeous, and of course she can act. मतलब किस तरह से क्या ही बोलूं. Give it up for Janvi Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. She's super cool, quite literally. Welcome one more time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most successful producers of our country, and we simply love him. Give it up for Mr. Boni Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. तारुफ की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन तारीफ भी करूंगा तो तारीफ बुरा मान जाएगी because शब्द नहीं बने हैं. The legend जावेद अख्तर साहब, ladies and gentlemen, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Versatility की बात आती है तो of course we've seen him do and perform, you know, so many characters so beautifully. Manoj Pahwa साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Come on, make some noise, guys. We just saw magic यहाँ पे. And the director, ladies and gentlemen, the national award-winning director who's killed it अपनी पहली फिल्म के साथ, Mathukutti Xavier साहब. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for this gentleman here. Welcome, sir. We'll have to ask ये क्या है, इसका क्या मतलब है. Please, please. All right, so we'll just have a quick photo op, and then we'll. Okay, we'll go ahead with this, right? All right. On a lighter note, you know. I want to ask you, Janvi, like, what do you have to say about this character that you had to play? As I said, you know, there's a lot of silence here. Like, हर किसी की बोलती बंद हो गई इसको देख के. How challenging was it for you?
It was very challenging. Actually, मैं जब ये स्टेज पे एंट्री कर रही थी, उन्होंने कहा कि आपको एक फ्रीज़र में डालेंगे, एक फ्रीज़र का मॉक डमी बनाया है. And I was like, yeah, cool, it'll be cool, literally. And then when they put me in it, I remembered what it was like when we were shooting the film. For 21 days, actually, उन्होंने एक असली फ्रीज़र बिल्ड किया था जो कि -2 से -5 डिग्रीज पे चलते रहता था हमेशा, और -10 पे चलते रहता था. और वो बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि हम तकरीबन
एक दो बार -15 भी गया था.
-15 भी गया था और मैं बस
बीमार हो गया था.
हाँ, ये बीमार हो गए थे, मुझे कुछ वायरल हो गया था, सब एक करके they were all falling like dominoes because it was very tough and it was a very grueling shoot. But at the end of it, वो शूट ख़त्म करने के बाद एक ऐसी gratifying feeling आई थी कि हमने कुछ मुश्किल किया है और कुछ दिल से ट्राई करने की कोशिश की है. एंड आई थिंक विद माथु सर्स गाइडेंस इट फेल्ट गुड. एंड होपफुली आप लोगों को फिल्म देख के वो एक्सपीरियंस, वो अनुभव अच्छा लगेगा.
वाह, क्या बात है. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लगा और इसीलिए ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ पे मिला है. प्लीज टेल अस, यू नो, it's not just about the beautiful Janvi Kapoor. It's about the actor Janvi Kapoor. A lot of people have been saying, you know, you've proved yourself, and हर एक फिल्म के साथ you've proved yourself as a brilliant actor. What do you have to say on that?
मतलब कोशिश जारी है और अभी सिर्फ आई होप कि ये सिर्फ स्टार्ट है. और मैं उठती बैठती जो भी हर वक्त मेरे दिमाग में यही है कि मैं मेरे कला में आगे कैसे बढ़ूँ और मेहनत कैसे करूँ और अपने माँ बाप का नाम कैसे रोशन करूँ और आप सबको ये कैसे महसूस कराऊँ कि हाँ इससे जो भी मौके मिले हैं लाइफ में वो इस चीज़ की हकदार है. तो वो कोशिश हमेशा जारी रहेगी
और बहुत अच्छे से जारी रहेगी यार. I'm sure यहाँ पे बोनी साहब, I'll come to you before I move on to her on-screen father, Pahwa Saab. So tell me, how proud are you as a father and a producer? Like, of course, she's this brilliant actor. She's starring in this movie of yours. So as a father and as a producer, what do you have to say?
Well, can't you make out from my expressions today? It's a very special day, and she's done phenomenally well in this film, and not just this film. She's grown from film to film, and I think this film has brought her closer to peak. I mean, not that this would be an end. I'm sure she'll outgrow the kind of burden that she carries being Sri's daughter. She's going to carve her own niche, which she has begun very well by playing various kind of characters, starting with Dhadak, then Gunjan, then the short film she did.
पापा तारीफ बस करो और लगता है जब फादर बोलते
नहीं, पर जो फैक्ट है बोलने में क्या है?
ठीक है, ओके, सॉरी।
मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, जो है बोलता हूँ, नहीं अच्छा तो नहीं अच्छा।
अच्छा ठीक है सर।
जिस दिन तुम बुरा काम करोगे तो तुमको पहले घर पे बोलूँगा, और बाद में अगर कोई मीडिया वाले मेरे से पूछेंगे तो उनको भी यही कहूँगा, यस आई एग्री विद यू, मीडिया को ही बोलूँगा मैं। वेल, दिस इज हाउ फादर फील्स। एज ए प्रोड्यूसर आई एम डेफिनेटली डिलाइटेड विद द आउटकम ऑफ द फिल्म। The first time director, National Award winner, Mathukutti, he's done a brilliant job. He's even taken care of minutest detail in every aspect. Right. Whether it is performance, whether it is set, whether it is music, whether it is writing, whether it is locations. It's his brilliance which will be seen on screen. And of course, he's complemented by Rahman Saab, by Javed Akhtar's magical writings, and not to forget the actors. She's had, I mean, Janvi is lucky to be blessed to get, performers like Manoj to play her real life father. And I think seeing him, I somehow somewhere felt that this is how even I would emote. So that's how good he is. Wow. And then acting with Sunny, who's absolutely brilliant in the film. And so are the other actors, even the cop who's there, the senior inspector Sanjay Suri. So there are quite a few elements which help the entire look of the film and have given the shape to the film the way it is now. Right. And I hope the way I'm excited, audience also gets as excited and happy as I've got after seeing the film. Right. Hoping for the best, keeping fingers crossed.
Absolutely. So we just saw the excitement over here. We saw the response that we've got. Manoj? See, he just said it, aag laga do. That's what he says. So, Manoj sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, playing Janvi's on-screen father. And not just that, there's this beautiful bond. वो दिख रहा है वहाँ पे. आप लोगों की कला है वो, या मैं क्या बोलूँ कि वो बॉन्ड दिख रहा है कि दोनों, they are so close to each other, और फिर वो जो सब पलट जाता है. What do you have to say about all this?
मैं सबसे पहले तो थैंक्स करूंगा कि इतनी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट थी, और जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं उनका जो विजन है फिल्म के बारे में इतना क्लियर था कि एज एन एक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा उसके अंदर मुझे सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, मुझे सिर्फ फॉलो करना था उनको, उनकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को. और जानवी का जहाँ तक सवाल है, बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग, और ये मैं श्रेय उनको ही दूंगा कि जनरली क्या होता है कि हम लोग जब ऐसे बड़े स्टार्स के बेटे बेटियों के साथ काम करते हैं तो हमारे अंदर एक हिचक होती है. बट शी वाज सो कूल, शी वाज सो नाइस कि पहले दिन से ही मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई, और एकदम बहुत अच्छी केमिस्ट्री हम लोगों की बनी, और होपफुली आपको फिल्म के अंदर वो नज़र भी आएगी.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And now moving on to Javed Saab. Sir, welcome. So good to see you, and it's such an honor कि आप यहाँ पर आए हम सब के बीच. Sir, being a part of this massive project with Janvi, of course, Boni sir and Madhu sir, Manoj sir, and the entire cast, what do you have to say, sir?
देखिए, वो एक कहावत है कि उंगली कटा के शहीदों में शामिल होते हैं लोग, तो मैंने भी उंगली कटाई है. मैंने तो सिर्फ पिक्चर में गाने लिखे हैं, और I must say that it's a very powerful, very effective film. It's cold, but when it will be released, it will be hot. Yes. So, I'll definitely congratulate the director. देख होता क्या है हमारे यहाँ हिंदी पिक्चरों में, मेन स्ट्रीम में ख़ास तौर से, कि हम ये भी डाल दो, वो भी डाल दो, ये कर दो, इतना करते हैं कि हम उसको बिल्कुल मेल्ट कर देते हैं, कहानी को, उसको एकदम पानी बना देते हैं. लेकिन वो कम लोग होते हैं जिनका हौसला होता है और भरोसा होता है उन्हें अपनी कहानी पे और अपने कैरेक्टर्स पे, कि दे स्टिक टू द मेन लाइन एंड दे डोंट डाइवर्ट. That makes the film powerful. और ये बहुत ही मतलब रिवेटिंग फिल्म है. You just cannot take your eyes away from the screen once it starts. That is the credit to the director. Superb job. So well edited film. And then of course Janhvi is exceptional and so is Pava Sahab. ये बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था. और मैं आपसे एक सीक्रेट शेयर करता हूँ. मुझे जब बोनी साहब ने बताया कि हम पावा साहब को इस रोल में ले रहे हैं तो मैंने कहा क्या कर रहे हो भाई, ऐसा मत करो. इसलिए कि मैंने उनको देखा था जोया की फिल्म में, दूसरी फिल्म में, वेयर ही हैज़ प्लेड वेरी लाइट हार्टेड रोल्स एंड ही वाज सो गुड. तुमने कहा भाई यही करते होंगे तो. मगर वो समझ में बात आई कि अगर आप अच्छे सिंगर हैं तो किसी भी सुर में गा लेते हैं. तो उसी तरह से अच्छा एक्टर जो है किसी भी रोल में ढल जाता है. एंड हिज परफॉर्मेंस इज़ अनबिलीवेबली गुड. तो ये जो इन दोनों की बाप बेटी की फिल्म में जुगलबंदी है वो इट हैज़ रीच what is considered to be a mirage perfection. It really has reached perfection. Or I'm sure that once you will start watching the film, you will not breathe till the film ends.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir.
Let me add one more thing. जब जावेद साहब कुछ एनेक्डोट्स बता रहे हैं पिक्चर बनने से पहले शुरू में क्या हुआ था, मनोज साहब का किस्सा सुना है. जब मैंने इनसे कहा हम सनी को कास्ट कर रहे तो जावेद साहब ने कहा अरे यार बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है. मैंने उसकी हाल में कौन सी पिक्चर देखी थी, आपने जिक्र भी किया उस पिक्चर का.
हाँ इसे याद नहीं है, ज़रा घबरा गया हूँ. मैं सोच रहा था पता नहीं मेरी कौन सी बात बताने वाले हैं. तो उस नर्वसनेस में मैं नाम भूल गया. इनका भरोसा नहीं भाई.
तो उन्होंने कहा या ही इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक एक्टर, गुड चॉइस, वेरी गुड चॉइस, ही विल बी द सरप्राइज एलिमेंट इन द फिल्म. तो ये भी एक था छिपा हुआ, मतलब जब जावेद साहब की जो रिएक्शन है, इट डिडंट एंड विद मनोज, इट ended with Sunny's casting.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. And now, the man of the hour. Give it up for sir. एक बार माथुर सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on. Now, this is how we welcome him. हिंदी फिल्मों में. Sir, welcome. So good to see you and congratulations on your National Film Award. Sir, आज भी वापस से बधाई दे देते हैं.
Thank you so much.
Another major contributor to this film is not present here, but his representative is there. AR has really done a great job. Great job. चाहे वो गाने हों चाहे उसका बैकग्राउंड हो, तब मालूम होता है जब आप सुनते हैं कि AR रहमान को AR रहमान क्यों कहते हैं. कोई रीज़न होगा ना. वो ये है.
Thank you so much, sir.
फिल्म का म्यूजिक, इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक, गाने और बैकग्राउंड दोनों.
So, जो मैं पूछ रहा था आपसे, we have to talk about these stalwarts, and the response that we've just got. Everybody is talking about this director, the visionary, जिनकी vision हमने यहाँ पे देखी. What do you have to say about all this?
I'm really not used to a lot of people. I'm really nervous actually. But it was. It might not be fair to say about my own film, but I can say that we have worked we have never been lazy a single day. That I can promise you. So I hope it translates to a good film. We really hope. As a team, we have never been lazy a single day. I hope it does well. The whole team.
Can we have Sunil on the stage too? He's the DOP of the film.
Welcome, sir.
And we would like Hiral also to come
Yes,
as a
yes.
representative of A.R. Rahman. She's
Come,
the
Please,
supervisor.
Yeah. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for this amazing piece of work that we just saw and we all loved. So what we'll do is we'll take your questions now. हाथ पहले से आ गए. So what we'll do is we'll just take the chairs. ठीक है? Can we place the chairs? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
देखिए जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों से कहा था कि मैंने सिर्फ उंगली कटाई है, तो वो लोग जिन्होंने गर्दनें रखी हैं उनसे आप बात कीजिए, मैं आप लोगों से इजाज़त करता हूँ.
सर ऐसे जाने नहीं दे सकते सर. उंगली की भी बहुत कीमत होती है सर, है ना? बैठे.
And I must thank my old dear friends Satish Kaushik and Rumi Jaffrey to be here.
Yes.
To wish the team of Millie. They've been with me throughout for many, many years. And I can, if they wouldn't have been here, I would have missed them a lot.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being here. And of course, I'm going to talk to you. एक चीज़ मेरे को एक secret तो आपसे भी जानना है बोनी sir के लिए. लेकिन उससे पहले, yeah, it's over to you. We'll take the questions from the wonderful rock stars. Yeah. Sir को mic दे दीजिए. Thank you.
Can I ask or somebody's asking?
I'll come to you, ma'am. उधर से आ गया पहला सवाल.
Hi, good
I'll come to
evening.
you.
Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Hi.
Firstly, I think congratulations to all of you all, and to you, Janvi. I have to say, I'd like to give you a warm, very warm hug. Obviously you have done a film, but I know, in 2017 I was in Dharamshala, and I went up to, atop the mountain, and I did not carry my warm clothes, my thermal wear, and I nearly died of hypothermia. So obviously looking at you in the trailer, it rekindled those freezing scenes for me. So I just have two light-hearted questions. Firstly, like watching this trailer, can we say that now Janvi Kapoor is the new Ice Ice Baby?
Ice Baby.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to call me that, you're free to. But
Yeah, because obviously there was a popular 90s song, American rapper song, Ice Ice Baby.
yeah, of course I know. No, if you're saying it as a compliment, I'll take it. I love compliments, so anything you say, I'll take.
And second, my question to you, Janvi, is usually, obviously, I think, there is the public, there is the media. But I would assume that mostly, most actors, they are the best judge of their own performance. But can we say that this is for the first time where an actor would measure his or her performance in terms in the unit of Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius?
I guess so. But it's funny you said that because जिस दिन वो freezer में temperature सबसे low गिरता था, उस दिन मैं जानती थी कि आज परफॉर्मेंस दर्द सही में अंदर से आने वाला है. आज का परफॉर्मेंस सही होगा अगर टेम्परेचर नीचे कर रहा है. सो या आई गेस सो.
Hi, this is Seema. I want to ask the director and Janvi. Janvi, you seem to like taking these challenges where you have to survive in difficult situation like Good Luck Jerry and all this. What is it? You like to take such challenges where you show that you have to survive?
I do, ma'am. I think that for me, doing roles that are as different as possible and that make me feel like, oh, here's an opportunity where I can push myself and surprise myself, hopefully, is always exciting to me. If I feel like I've shown up for a jog, I mean, not for a jog, for a job, and I'm going through the beats of it in a way that seems familiar to me and I'm not really growing from it, I feel like that defeats the purpose of being an actor, and I think the audiences deserve and expect more than that from me. So I need to push myself.
Okay. I want to ask the director, since you have directed both Malayalam and all this, is there any difference there, and you have to keep in mind that this is for a different audience and you have to show it this way? Any kind of change you made?
What we did was actually the writer who wrote Raid and Pink, no sir? Yeah, Ritesh sir, he introduced me to him. I gave him the script and I said, structurally, keep it safe, but the heart of it, keep it here, because otherwise it will never connect. I will not be able to connect to the very tiny nuances for sure, because I'm coming from there. And what we used to do is that Janvi, like from the beginning, when she got the script, she'll come to the office, and every day, we didn't know why she was coming every day. And we used to wonder why she's coming every day. And she used to come with the script and sit in front of us, and I'm not a very people person, so there was no ice breaking, nothing, because I was nervous because we did a very small film and then came here. So then she's like, second day I asked then she asked, are we not reading the script? Then no, we do that on the day of the shoot. So why? Then third day also she will bring the script. We'll put some situations, we'll do acting, and she used to get nervous. And the final day, I think fifth day or something, she told, you are responsible for this if the shoot delays, because on the day I'm not gonna learn my lines and come. What we did was that on the set, we read it once. I asked her and the people around whom I trusted in the set, about which of these dialogues didn't seem out of which of these dialogues, if they seem out of your house, do tell me. So it's based on the trust of each person in the set who know this place than me, is upon the reality of the script, and each scene is built upon that. And I used to ask Janvi, do you say that say this at house? If you don't say it, you tell me. So that's how we tried to. So that's why I'm telling the core of it is from the core of the team. So I think it'll connect. I hope.
Hi,
Janvi.
Hi, I'm sorry I can't see.
Here. Hi.
Hi.
Janvi, when you picked up Dhadak, it was already out in Marathi you gave life to a character. We had Helen out there, you gave life to Millie. Does it put pressure on you as a performer that somebody who might would have seen the initial product will start comparing you even from the word go? They won't even wait for your performance to come to the screen.
I guess so, ma'am, but honestly, with me, that happens anyway. So I try not looking at it in such a calculative way. I had seen Helen, and I was honestly very thrilled about working with a maker like Mathu sir, who made what some people would call a small film, but with so much finesse and so much passion and heart, I think. And that was the excitement in it for me, and I thought that it was something new and challenging, and so I took it up. And I also felt like Helen hadn't reached a lot of audiences in the North because it hadn't been dubbed and released, so I didn't think of it like that. And I also took it up as see, even when you get a script, you're getting a character written by someone else and then you're interpreting it. So I kind of look at it like that. I'm getting something that was interpreted by someone else a certain way, and then I'm getting a fresh version of it, and I get to interpret it my way. And that's what I've tried to do.
Can I add my one bit to your question and perhaps take you to something which has happened in the past? You know, Mother India was a remake of its own version. And Nargis finally went on to bag, all the major awards, and the film went on to become the biggest success. In fact, in the single screen days, whenever a new theatre was to open, they used to open with Mother India because 28 shows houseful was a guarantee. And nowhere in Nargis ji's performance you saw the nuances of Sardar Akhtar, who had done the original Aurat. So it depends entirely on the actor who's doing the present job. And there is no way the influences can interfere with the new actor doing this particular role, which has been done earlier. It's the machinery inside which has got to work. You've got to feel every bit of the character. And that's what is important. What's important is that the character has got to become what the part requires it to become.
Yeah. Hi, this is Sohail over here from Instant Bollywood. Bonnie ji, Janvi, आप सभी लोगों को congratulations the entire team. मेरे दो क्वेश्चन हैं. सबसे पहले तो सर आपसे कि जानवी इज़ अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मर. हम देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने जैसे आपने कहा था कि शी इज़ उनके परफॉर्मेंस डे बाय डे हम देख सकते हैं शी बहुत उम्दा होते जा रही. हम जानवी को देखते हैं तो श्रीदेवी जी की याद आ ही जाती है डेफिनेटली. व्हाट डू यू फील?
मुझे देख के नहीं याद आती.
आपको तो
सिर्फ जानवी को देख के याद आती
है. आपको तो है, लेकिन हम जानवी में श्रीदेवी जी को ही देखते हैं इनफैक्ट, लेकिन उतना पोटेंशियल उनमें है. What have you to say on that thing?
You asking me?
Yeah, sir.
Well, you see, everybody has a different mechanism to understand a character and to perform accordingly. I wouldn't say perform, to become the part. That was one of the major USP of Sri, and that is another. This is the same thing because perhaps she carries the same DNA. She also picks up the character, or rather, gets into the character and doesn't play the part, becomes the part, and which is why you've seen the growth in the films that she's done so far.
Yeah, Janvi, what have you to say? Like, how much you feel yourself? You're seeing your mom. उनकी फिल्में आपने देखी होगी. Definitely, we have seen you. Like, and she had been so caring about you all. Like, the way she used to nurture you all. हमने बहुत देखा है. आपको.
I'll just interrupt. Incidentally, you see, the audience in North India saw Sri after she had done almost 150 to 200 films in South.
Yeah.
So she had reached a particular level of, understanding what characters are and how each beat has got to be captured or, understood. So she came here after doing 200 films in the South. My baby has just started a journey. So don't put her into any kind of a comparison with any of the work of her mother. As I told you, she also had a journey which was brilliant. She started as a child star, but most of the North Indians saw her after she had done more than 200 films.
But she has reached actually, हम तो बहुत ही देख रहे हैं उनमें एक्चुअली. मुझे अच्छा, मुझे पूछना कि कभी ऐसे लाइफ में ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आई है जैसे ये कैसी लाइफ में बहुत टफ सिचुएशन था? इट कुड बी एनीथिंग ऑन द सेट, कुड बी एनीथिंग वेयर यू रिमेंबर, it was a very difficult thing. If you would like to share anything on it.
एक्चुअली ये शूट के दौरान जब हम फ्रीज़र का पोर्शन शूट कर रहे थे मैं बहुत ही बीमार पड़ गई थी और काफ़ी दिनों के लिए एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि मैं होश में नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतने मेडिसिन ले रही थी एंड we had already gone overboard because the freezer shoot was so tough on so many people, and I just remember that last stretch being very mentally and physically exhausting because the way we started playing it, and Mathu sir, you can chip in if you have anything to say also, we would start running really long takes. तो हमने पहले जैसे इमेजिन किया था कि 5 मिनट का सीन करके बाहर आके 1 मिनट का ब्रेक लेके वापस करने जाएंगे, बट देन वी एंडेड अप रनिंग 15 मिनट लॉन्ग टेक्स where I'd go through the entire action, and there was a lot of crying, breaking, screaming, and it was a lot.
Let me also add this. You see, while they were shooting the freezer portion, I mean, there were quite a few people who fell ill, recovered, and all that. But Janvi fell ill, recovered. The director, Mathukutti Xavier, okay. He fell ill, he had just recovered from COVID. So the immunity was not that strong, which is the reason he got affected by the cold, the freezer shoot. And I think almost for 4 or 5 days a week, 6 days, he was, bedridden in the hotel. And then the doctor told him, you're not to enter the freezer. And since the doctor knows the film world, he said, you can see the monitor from outside. So he said, yes, I'll do that,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
And he stayed outside for precisely 10 minutes of the first day, and then he was inside the freezer.
With a muffler, monkey cap, all those things. He never got out of it. And then again, you feel ill for the second time also, yes. So this is what his, creativity or the kind of person he is, the kind of director he is. He didn't want any loose ends, anything to be missed out. And he had to be there to give instructions even when the camera was on. When you see the film, you'll realize, there are so many delicate movements, so many intricate movements. She falls, there are too many things which require detailing. And he felt that detailing cannot be explained or pointed out if he's sitting on the monitor. So he had to be in there where the action happens. And so he fell sick again. And I was lucky that it didn't happen the third time.
जानवी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है यहाँ। जानवी
जी
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, अभी 2 सीमा ने भी ये पूछा और सुहेल जी ने भी ये पूछा, श्रीदेवी जी से आपको कंपेयर किया, लेकिन श्रीदेवी जी भी स्टार रहते हुए उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिल्म्स में बहुत काम किया, जैसे सदमा ही ले लें, मॉम जो उनकी लास्ट फिल्म थी वो भी ले लें। तो आपने भी स्टार होते हुए एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिल्म्स को जिस तरीके से चैलेंजिंग रोल्स को लेना है, ये डेलिबरेटली था या फिर ऐसी कोइंसिडेंटली आपको मिलते गए?
मैम, आई थिंक जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, मेरे लिए थ्रिल और एक्साइटमेंट इसी चीज़ में है कि मैं अलग अलग टाइप के फिल्म्स करूँ, अलग अलग किरदारों को निभाने की कोशिश करूँ और उनके ज़रिए I can live different lives and learn new things and grow. And देखिए, स्टार वार बनना बहुत अच्छा है और उसमें मज़ा भी बहुत आता है, लेकिन मुझे एक्टर बनना है और हमेशा से बचपन से यही ख्वाहिश रही है कि मैं एक्टर बनूं। और आई थिंक एक्टर बनने के लिए किरदारों को ईमानदारी से और सच्चाई से निभाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए।
मनोज जी, आपसे एक सवाल है कि पहले गुंजन में भी इनकी जो बाप बेटी की जोड़ी है वो बहुत अप्रिशिएट की गई थी
जी, और
फिल्म का जो मेन फोकस था वो बाप बेटी के रिलेशन पर ही था
जी। बिल्कुल,
इसमें भी वैसा ही नजर आ रहा है। तो क्या आपको थोड़ा सा वो था कि कंपेयर होगा कि गुंजन?
नहीं, इस तरह से देखिए, इस तरह से कभी कोई सोचता नहीं है। वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। पंकज त्रिपाठी जी इज़ वेरी गुड एक्टर, वेरी फाइन एक्टर। वो फिल्म भी मैंने देखी हुई थी और उसमें केमिस्ट्री कमाल की थी। बट जब आपको जब काम मिलता है तो आप उसको बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से अप्रोच करते हैं। ये सोचते नहीं है कि उससे कंपैरिजन होगा, ये उससे कंपैरिजन होगा। मैं एज एन एक्टर, मेरे को लगता है कि जब मेरे को ये फिल्म मिली तो मुझे आई वाज सो हैप्पी एंड आई सेड के इतनी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, इतनी अच्छी ये कहानी है, तो आई शुड पुट माई 100%, दैट्स इट। उतना ही सोचा एंड आई वॉज विद द डायरेक्टर। मुझे लगा कि जो उनका विजन है उसको मुझे फॉलो करना है और आगे पीछे उधर कुछ देखने के लिए आई वाज देयर विद द डायरेक्टर.
Hi guys, Himesh this side from Pinkvilla. Hi, congratulations on the trailer firstly.
Hi, Himesh.
Hi, I have a question for Boni ji and Manoj sir actually.
नहीं, पहले सब मुझे बताओ ट्रेलर कैसा लगा. ये तो
अच्छा ट्रेलर है सर.
हाँ, तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे. हाँ हाँ चलिए. हाँ आप पूछे, हिमेश पूछो.
Sir, so the film is actually a father-daughter story if we look at it, and you are also making your acting debut. Did you ever think of acting in this film?
No. Because I would have been a nervous wreck with Janvi around, because as it is, she's a perfectionist like a mother, and ये perfectionist का कीड़ा मेरे में भी है. तो दो perfection एक सेट पे एक दूसरे की खाली हम लोग एक दूसरे का खाली नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ढूंढते रहेंगे या एक दूसरे की टांग खींचते रहेंगे. और दूसरा ये कि भाई आई एम नॉट एन अकम्प्लिश्ड एक्टर टू प्ले दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पार्ट, बिकॉज दिस पार्ट इज़ अ वेरी चैलेंज. इसी जो मैं लव रंजन की फिल्म में कर रहा हूँ, इट्स अ वेरी लाइट हार्टेड फिल्म. इट्स बेसिकली अ कैरेक्टर विच इज़ नॉट intense.
Papa is basically playing Papa in Love Source film.
So I wasn't doing anything, I was just playing myself.
And Manoj sir, for you, what were the reference point to play this character? Did you take any cue from the real life bond that she shares with?
नहीं, किसी रेफरेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक कहानी है, बाप है, बेटी है, वो है. और ऐसे जब आप एक रिलेशनशिप ऐसा है, ये मैं भी बाप हूँ, एक बेटी का बाप हूँ, एक बेटे का बाप हूँ, तो आई अंडरस्टैंड. ये बेसिक इमोशन है कि आपका जो एक बच्चा है वो कहाँ है, किस मुसीबत में है. आपको इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा रेफरेंस के भाई मेरे को कोई ऐसा रेफरेंस, ये इमोशन ऐसा है जो अगर आप जाएंगे इसके अंदर तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है वो बाहर निकलेगा. और इतने अच्छे खूबसूरत सीन्स हैं, इतने लिखे हुए इतने अच्छे सीन्स हैं, स्क्रिप्ट इतनी सुंदर है. आपको उसको सिर्फ फील करना है, आपको उसको कैरेक्टर प्ले, जैसे मोहित जी ने कहा कि आपको हो जाना है उस सिचुएशन में, बन जाना है वो, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली वर्क करेगा आई थिंक. तो आप देख के बताएंगे.
Hi Janvi, this is Titash. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Titash from News 18.
Hi.
So this is the first film where you're collaborating with your father. This is like in the capacity of an actor and producer. How was that experience like? Did it give you more time to bond with him? Because usually I'm sure you both keep busy in your own individual ways.
It did actually. So what had happened was I'd gotten so used to being around him all the time during the lockdown, and before that we really didn't get to spend much time together once I started working. And then slowly when I started shooting for Jerry, I realized that oh no, like real life is starting again, and I don't know how much time I'll get to spend with him. But because of Millie, I think we got to know each other in a new capacity. And it's been fun. I'm thankful, not only because I got to spend so much time with him as a daughter, but because I got to experience what it's like to work with Boni Kapoor as a producer also.
Secondly, both Boni sir and Khushi, they are both foraying into acting now. Is the conversation at the dining table a lot about the craft?
Actually, not so much. Sometimes, I don't know, Papa, is it? I feel like we haven't had very long.
It's only after, for instance, when we've seen Janvi's films, of course, my film nobody has seen. Only I have seen. Only I know what I'm doing or what I've done, or maybe the crew of that film knows. But Janvi's films have released so we have spoken about her work and discussed quite a few things, and Khushi did participate. And now when Khushi's teaser came out and that complete introduction song with the whatever you call, Zoya calls it a sizzler. She calls it a sizzler. So when that came out, we again sat together, and of course there was nothing to criticize because it was just amazing, and we all enjoyed watching it, and we discussed only the good points because I could just see good points in it. And same happens whenever I see Janvi's film, or whenever me and Khushi see Janvi's films.
I think discussion is honestly off late. It's been mostly about dates. Where are you between this and this date? Okay, I'm here. Okay, you're there. Okay, maybe we'll get 2 days in the middle to spend time together. It's mostly always about dates these days.
Yeah, like I was in Chennai and she happened to come to Chennai for a photo shoot. And she had to leave the same evening, same night. From the car she was crying and saying, Dad, I wish I had stayed back. Yeah. Dad, I wish I had stayed back. So, and while she was shooting at home in Chennai, we hardly chatted with each other because she was busy shooting across, around the whole house, and I was up in my room. I didn't want to come and poke my nose in what was happening down. And after the shoot was over, she barely spent a few minutes with me, and she just said, I'm in a rush, I've got a flight to catch. She didn't realize that she had not spent any time with me. But from the car, after she left home, she was crying, saying, Dad, I wish I had stayed back. I wish I had stayed back. So this is something which has happened, and I think will continue to happen, because, I mean, for me, all my 4 children, like for instance now Arjun and Anshula are abroad. We try and connect every day, speak to both of them, and same with them, they're chatting or talking. I talk, I don't believe in chatting, I talk. They chat and sometimes talk. So this thing will continue, and this is what perhaps is the joy left in my life, just interacting with my children, all 4 of them. And I'm blessed that all 4 of them love me more than what I hoped for.
Hi.
All right, we'll take one last question, right?
Hi,
Yes, ma'am, please.
my question is to the director. This is Neeti Roy from Filmy Beat. Sir, if I'm not wrong, you were approached thrice for the Hindi remake of Helen. So what was the difference this time that you chose to direct this film?
Sorry, previous.
You were approached earlier for the same film by some other producer.
Thrice, actually.
Yes,
He just liked me and Papa better.
he preferred to, he was waiting for the right opportunity, and the right opportunity he thought was working with Janvi and Bonnie Kapoor. And of course,
let him say.
I was approached by 2 people actually. So, but one person said, first call was that throughout the script, the whole structure, everything change, and it was a completely different film. Then I said, I don't want to do it. Then another person called, and then I told one thing, I need the structure as it is, because it's a core which we had worked for years, because to do that again we'll need years to work on it, each script is like that, So then I told, then he said okay, but then I said, we'll shoot in minus temperature. We shot it in minus temperature. I want to shoot it in minus temperature, because when you move around, you will lose the shiver, everything. Because when you're concentrating on the action, lifting things and stuff, you cannot do this together. When you're shivering your jaws and doing action, that doesn't go along. So when I said that, no, big actor it is. You cannot do all those things here. Then I'm like, okay. Then I said, I'm not doing it. Then later is when Bonisa called me. And then Bonisa called me. I didn't know him personally. I told him, sir, the structure, I want you to make the film like you made it there. You come here. Like that was the brief. Like no change. I want how you made it there. And since then, I must say, it was like a, what do you call, a strange producer, I must say, because I'm not over exaggerating it. Because you saw the teaser, no? End May, there is this Janvi's reveal shot that's taken using a robotic arm. So I went to him. That was not used in Helen. So I went to him and I told him, sir, there is this bolt robotic arm which
It's a camera setup.
What is it? And then I said, I want a reveal like this and this and then. Okay. Then he looks at you and see if you're confident about what you're telling. He looks at you sharply and, do you think it'll be nice? He'll expect the S, how much confidence I have on the S, he will get it granted. Yeah, sir, it'll look amazing. Okay, give ball to whatever arm he wants. So, and he thinks if the film is, not, if he doesn't spend cash, he thinks it's cheap. So, that way it was very strange.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
एक क्लास
ले लो सर, आपने कह दिया हाँ.
Thank you.
Yeah.
आज श्रीदेवी जी का काफ़ी बार जिक्र हुआ। मुझे आपके जब भी जिक्र हो रहा था आपके आँख में देख के थोड़ा इमोशनल आप लग रहे थे। बट बायोपिक की मैं बात करूँ, यू आर डूइंग अ बायोपिक, आई नो दैट इन फ्यूचर, बट श्रीदेवी जी की कभी भी बायोपिक आती है इन फ्यूचर, सो आर यू ओके टू डू दैट?
नो, आई वुडंट बी।
क्यों?
सर अभी वो बहुत लंबा आंसर है और मुझे भूख लगी है।
अगर आप छोटे से
और मुझे रोना नहीं है स्टेज पे, अच्छा दिन है तो अवॉइड करता है।
भूख के आगे सर ऐसे कैसे, भूख के आगे जीत है। थैंक यू सो मच ladies and gentlemen, you guys were awesome and congratulations to this amazing team. क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
I would also like to thank Shyam Kaushal ji, who has worked with me in the past in my last 2 films, and today he's here representing his son Sunny. I'm glad he could make it, and I'm glad he's here.
All right, for the final photo op, we'll just remove the chairs and then. Shyam sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Come on, make some noise, people. We have this amazing gentleman here.
Hello. Acha, Sunny can't come because he is shooting in Indore. It is his first day for a new film. पर उनकी सन्नी की तरफ से उसने मेरे को बोला पापा जरूर बोलना।
रोहित नीचे करना, रोहित। बस वेट मैम सेंटर मैम ये सेंटर साथ में जानवी अरे भाई सेंटर लेफ्ट साइड सर जानवी सेंटर
We do solo, sir.
सिंगल फोटो जानवी जी आप भी रुकिएगा सर बोलिए सर यहाँ देखिए once more sir मैम जानवी जी आइए हाँ सर हो गया सर कैमरा फास्ट है मैम या लेफ्ट या फोटो पर सर का सर डायरेक्टर सर आप दोनों का साथ में लुक सेंटर सर मैम सेंटर
बाहर आगे सामने
बस सर लुक किया
हाँ
नितिन यहाँ देखिए सेंटर खाली सर
हाँ
यहाँ देखिए सर
अरे फॉग बहुत हो गया यार।
वही तो दिखाना है। खूब बंद कर यार। ऑटोमेटिक होता है भाई। चलो चलो जादू जादू। अरे बहुत बार। अरे भाई दो ये दत्ता टेक टू भाई पीछे बंद कर यार। अरे फोटो चाहिए यार। अरे मर गए क्या कर रहे हो यार। दत्ता तेरा फोटो आ रहा है इसमें। हाँ 1 2 3 इनको इधर लो। हम जरा प्लीज। अरे भाई हिलाओ मत यार। टेक टू। अरे मैडम दूसरा भाई फॉल बंद कर दे यार। 1 2 3 गो। लाल दुपट्टा हो गया। किसके हवाले? वेरी नाइस। वन मोर। एक मिनट। क्या बात है? आइए साथ में। आइए पीछे इंगेज भी कमी ना बोली सर। ये रुक रे। सर सेंटर सोलो के लिए रुका हुआ नहीं मिला बराबर। कौन है अभी? हाँ बोला मेरा पेट नहीं दिखाई देना चाहिए। जानिए हम सोलो मैम। थैंक यू। जानी मैम लोग क्या मैम यार मैम यार एकदम सामने मैम। सेंटर मैम सेंटर में नहीं देखा। सेंटर में मैडम सेंटर में नहीं देखा। मैडम सेंटर में मैडम जी। अरे देख